Welcome back to the SQL for Testers and Developers playlist. Before we dive deeper into SQL queries, it's crucial to understand how databases work, how tables are structured, and how relationships between tables function. By the end of this video, you will understand how tables store data, primary and foreign keys, and relationships between tables. Let's get started. In a relational database, data is stored in tables. Think of the table as a spreadsheet where columns define the attributes like name, email, age, etc. and rows store the actual data records. Let's take employees table as an example. As you can see, we have different columns like ID, name, department, and salary, and 3 entries with data. Now let's practice. Let's open MySQL Workbench and select the database. I have only one MySQL connection. Let's click on this and click Continue anyway. I will use previously created GNT database. I need to run this command, show databases. And don't forget to put semicolon in the end. To run this command, select it and click on this icon right here. As you can see, we have GNT database, which we've created in previous videos. I will use it as an example. We need to provide this command, use and the name of database. Select and run. You can always check the output from your action in the section below. Green icon means it is executed successfully. So let's create an employees table in MySQL. To create a new table, we need to provide this query. Let me run this command. And let me explain the meaning of each line. So ID, integer primary key, unique identifier for each employee. Name varchar 100, so it stores the employee's name up to 100 characters. Department varchar 50, it stores department names up to 50 characters. Salary decimal 10,2, it stores salary values with 2 decimal places. So let's run this command to see the data in the table. Select star from employees and run it. We will go through all the commands and keywords in next videos. For now, let's just focus on logical behavior. As you can see, we have table columns with empty values. Now let's talk about primary key and foreign keys. A primary key is a unique identifier for a record in a table. Each table must have a primary key. The primary key value cannot be null. A foreign key links two tables together. Each references the primary key of another table. Foreign keys help maintain relationships between tables. They prevent orphan records. It means they prevent data that has no reference. We do have an example in our employees table. The ID column is the primary key because it is unique for each employee. Let's say we have another table called projects, and each project is assigned to an employee. We'll create a foreign key linking projects to the employees table. So let's go back to Workbench and type this query. Create table projects. Employees ID. Now let me explain this query. So project ID is the primary key of projects. Employee ID is a foreign key referencing employee's ID. This ensures that an assigned project must be linked to a valid employee. Let's understand relationships in SQL. There are 3 types of relationships in a relational database. First one is one-to-one. It means one record in a table A relates to one record in a table B. For example, one employee has one company laptop. Relationship number 2, one-to-many. This is the most common type of relationships. One record in table A relates to multiple records in a table B. For example, one employee can be assigned multiple projects, each represented by foreign keys. Then the third type of relationship is many-to-many. Multiple records in table A relate to multiple records in table B. For example, employees can work on multiple projects, and projects can have multiple employees. Now you understand what a database is and how tables store data, the importance of primary and foreign keys, and the different types of relationships in SQL. In the next video, we will dive deep into SQL commands, select, insert, update, delete. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. It was GNT Creator. See you in new videos. Bye.